definitely course was completely outstanding because as you have seen my CV, I have worked for the banking sector only sir before, but that is backend, whichever we produce applications to the banks from the backend database and everything. While I am working in that, I felt I got interest from the front end. So whatever the bank does from the front end, so from there my interest has been raised. So from there I was particularly okay. I want to step into the complete banking sector. So luckily I'm so lucky that I have been training from the BygC and from you and from ma'am. The assignments whatever they have given and the quiz in the between the modules is excellent sir. I was so impressed with that, and by that only we are learning so many things sir. We are doing mistake, and in that mistake we are learning sir. Frankly saying, I learned so much. Literally I'm saying sir, I work for the back end, but what is front end is completely different. That interest makes me learning more and more, and from here this course I have learned many things sir. How to convey the product value, or how to convey the product into the customer's mind, and how to talk the RM or the banker side. The way of talk is completely different with the other bankers, and that I have learned so many things. And I'm lucky in that I have participated in the few classes also, the master classes, and I have taken some instructions from the ma'am also. She have explaining some points, whatever I have facing some confusions. So that, and you are giving what I can say, it's a huge output from us. You are giving that inputs for us. So it is so helpful for us. Actually, I frankly say, sir, I am a little bit behind that course because of I am also teacher in the schools. So not in single school. If it is single school, I have leisure period. I am in multiple schools, which are Kendriya Vidyalaya, Vishaka Valley, and DAV schools. I have been teacher in that. So because of that, I was a bit behind. So thank you for this excellent course, sir. We never see this course in whatever outside. Banking outside, they'll teach quantitative courses or just a little more like that, but this much depth is not there. I have seen, frankly saying, sir. Thank you so much from my end to you and BygC company, everything sir. Institute. Thank you so much sir.